Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donnakay.Simone if this is your first time here, and today I am doing a face full of nothing new. I've seen this video going around for a while and I really like it. And seeing that I literally just promoted the Sephora VIB sale in my last two videos, I decided that this video I'm not going to talk about buying any new makeup. So I want you to pull out the makeup that you already have, and I'm going to pull out the makeup I already have, and I'm going to do a full face of makeup.
Oh my God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.
Hey everyone, coming back to you with a clean, bare face. Starting with the Milani Perfect Conceal Long Wear Concealer. I am in colors 150 Natural Sand and 135 Medium Beige. The darker color I'm placing on my dark areas in an attempt to color correct it, and the lighter one I am using it to highlight my face. Blend it all out and continue. The Milani concealers have been around for such a long time. They are such a good buy. And if you've been watching makeup videos for a long time, you know this product. This was the first powder that was made for black women by black women. This is the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder.
Thank you, Angela.
Using my damp Morphe sponge, I am placing that in my powder to set my face. Very important. I dust off the excess and then apply it to my under eyes. The Sacha Buttercup powder is really a ride or die and an OG in the beauty community. Now that I've set my concealer everywhere that it needs to be set, I look ghostly. Trust the process. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Superstay Powder 16-hour wear. I'm in the color Golden Caramel, and this step is so vital if you are not wearing foundation.
And the reason why is you've already moisturized your face, correct? You've applied your concealer, and the places that have bare, empty skin, it has moisture on it. So what do you think is going to happen when you start applying your bronzer? It's going to skip. Because now that powder is going to lay on top of that, my moisturized skin, and then I'll bronze, which powder to powder will blend a lot easier. I know what I said made sense. I just hope I said it in a way that you can understand.
Okay, now my face is even, but it has no dimension. It's just a flat surface, which is a clean canvas, a perfect surface to work on. So now I'm going to bring the structure back into my face. Next, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzers, and I am in colors Beige and Gal and Island Ting. When applying my bronzer, in the past, I would do this motion. Don't do that. Why? Because it just does not make for a good application. It just doesn't. It doesn't make for a good application. What I recommend is for you to tap it in. Once you have a layer that's tapped in, then you can blend in on it. But you first must lay it, then spread it. Because I have such a round face, I am going high with my bronzer because I need that snatched face. No one talks about what pressure. They tell you what motion, but they don't tell you the pressure to apply. Real quick, if you are applying your brush and your brush is bending into your skin, the bristles are bending, you are applying too much pressure. Someone keeps driving back and forth. I think they can see me through my window. Back to what I was saying. So if you are applying your makeup and the bristles in your brush are bending, you are applying too much pressure and the products underneath will move. Voila. Just like that. I'm gonna sit her here. She's gonna chill out, okay? She's gonna accrue interest. Then I'm gonna dip it again right under my eye without dipping it into more powder to catch my fallout, because I'm doing eyeshadow today, honey. Because I want to show you my Dose of Colors eyeshadows that I bought that I love. An old product, it's nothing new. This is a full face of nothing new. And if you love makeup, you probably already own this or you were thinking of owning it. Again, the eyeshadow palette that I was talking about is the Sassy Siennas from Dose of Colors. As I said, this eyeshadow may be new to my collection, but it is not new to makeup. All the OGs have it, and I know why. The colors blend beautifully, like butter. I am just using 2 colors. I'm using the colors Brassy and Bossy. That's it. Okay, now I'm back. I'm gonna do my blush, which is the LA Girl Just Blushing, and I'm using color Just Radiant. I'm gonna apply that to my cheek area, keeping it high, like Naomi said. Yeah, MAC Pigment and Melon. Didn't I tell you I'm doing a face of nothing new? And if you know this, oh my God, if you know this, you know this is nothing new. Next, I'm gonna apply my lips, and I'll be using, y'all, this is just a beauty supply store lip gloss. It's clear when you initially put it on, and then as it warms up on your lips, it turns to like this cute baby pink, which I love. I swear it was only 99 cents or $1.99, no more than $2. And I'm using my MAC Cork Lip Liner, nothing new. Next, I'm going to brush off my bake, and this is very important. You don't want to get to the end and fumble the bag. So, you're gonna grab your brush. You're gonna hold it at the end of the brush. You are going to gently use your brush and brush off the bake. If the bristles are bending, you are applying too much pressure. If your bristles are bending, you're applying too much pressure. I just feel it in my spirit. I just feel it in my spirit that someone needs to hear that. Maybe that someone's me, but I think it's you too. Okay, so we're about to head out and head to the Home Depot. Where's the camera? But apparently my fridge decided that it was time for it to go to fridge heaven. So I gotta go get a new refrigerator, and Thanksgiving is like less than 2 weeks away, and I don't have a fridge, and oh yeah, I'm hosting. I chose the ugly one. He chose good though. It's spacious. It's a huge freezer. Like, that's big, right? And it's the screen for me. I love this screen. You could really just like get lost in Home Depot, especially when you have a new house. It's like shopping in the makeup store, but like just way more expensive.